Maharashtra has recorded over 47,000 cases over the last 24 hours and 155 deaths. Amid the unprecedented surge in cases, Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray has written to Prime Minister over ramping up the vaccination drive and opening it out to other categories. In fact, he has urged the PM to allow vaccination for those above 25 years of age. The state government has increased the ambit of essential services. Mumbai has recorded over 9,800 new cases in the last 24 hours. Maharashtra Health Minister Rajesh Tope has warned private hospitals against overcharging COVID patients by way of deposits or unnecessary tests. Let me go across to Sandhya joining us with more inputs. So Sandhya, you were taking stock of the markets earlier and it seems that a lot of people did not have information about the new rules. Tell us more about how the new restrictions that have been now announced are being followed on ground. What is the level and extent of implementation?
So, Afrida, first of all, the entire range of the new restrictions is actually extremely wide. So that's why, despite the new restrictions being in place, you will still see people outside, you'll still see vehicles flying, because vehicles are allowed to fly also. But the major curb which actually has been put is on the market, which are not allowed to remain open. Only those who are associated with essential services can remain their shops open. But if we talk about Mumbai, whether it's Andheri, whether it's Dadar, Bhaikala, Parel, all these places, the markets, the shops are actually open irrespective of the fact that they are not a part of essential services and not allowed to remain open. So that part of execution is going to be difficult for the authorities as well, because we are talking about the trade part of this whole thing, because economy last year took a hit, and that's why this year shopkeepers are not keen to continue with this, because that's exactly why Dadar Vyapari Sangh, an association which voluntarily last year shut the shutters down of their shops to cooperate with the government even before the restrictions were announced. This year, they are also protesting this. They have kept their shops closed for as of now, but not all of them. So closing the shops is that one part where the restriction is something where more execution is required. Apart from that, so the rule says that people cannot gather in one place, people cannot step outside their house first unless it's necessary, and second, not in a group of more than 5. So if two people are getting out of the house, it is still contributing to the already existing crowd of the city. So social distancing maintenance is something which people of the city are lacking. And as today is the first day of the new restrictions under Break the Chain, it has to be seen, Afrida, that whether or not by the end of the day or by tomorrow there will be a more strict implementation or not. Afrida.